Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with a credit card on Cash App. Guys, linking your credit card and using it for payments is super straightforward, and I'll guide you step by step. Let's jump in. Open Cash App on your phone. Make sure you're signed in. From the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. Scroll down to Linked Banks. This is where you manage all your payment methods. If you've already got a bank or debit card linked, great. If not, you might need to add one first to unlock the credit card option. Tap Link Card, then select Credit Card. Enter your card details, the full 16-digit number, expiration date, 3-digit CVV code on the back, and your billing zip code. Double-check for accuracy, then hit Continue. Cash App will verify the card, which usually takes a few seconds. If it asks for extra verification, like an ID, follow the prompts. Once linked, your credit card's ready to use. To pay someone, go back to the home screen, tap the $sign and enter the amount, say $20. Select Pay, then choose your credit card from the payment options. Note that Cash App may charge a 3% fee for credit card payments, so check the fee before confirming. Enter the recipient's cash tag, phone number, or email, then hit Pay. Unique tip: save frequent contacts in Cash App's Recent tab to speed up future payments. To add funds to your Cash App balance for other uses, tap Add Cash in the Money tab, select your credit card, enter an amount, and confirm. If the card doesn't link, ensure your account's verified or contact Cash App support via the app. If you're paying with your credit card on Cash App but also want a smarter, cheaper way to send money, especially overseas, check out Wise. I use it personally, and it's consistently one of the most affordable and reliable ways to transfer funds. They're currently offering an exclusive deal. Sign up with the link below, and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free. Wise beats most banks and payment apps on fees and exchange rates, and the reviews speak for themselves. It's free to create an account, so click the link in the description and get your free $800 transfer today.